We'll guide you through how to make labels Google Calendar. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Google Calendar does not have a traditional label feature like email apps, which can confuse users. They want a simple way to organize events by category, such as work or personal tasks. Using calendar colors as labels helps improve clarity, productivity, and overall schedule management. To make labels in Google Calendar, start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Calendar website. Sign into your Google account if you are not already logged in so you can access your personal calendar data. Once the calendar interface loads, look at the left-hand sidebar where different options and calendar lists are displayed. Find the My Calendars section, which shows your existing calendars. Decide whether you want to use an existing calendar as a label or create a new one for better organization. If you prefer creating a new label, click the plus icon next to Other Calendars to begin the setup process. From the drop-down options, select Create New Calendar to open the creation page. Enter a name for your label, such as Work, Personal, or Study, depending on your needs. You can also fill in optional details like a description and time zone if necessary for better clarity. After entering the information, click the Create Calendar button to save your new label. Once the calendar is successfully created, return to the main calendar view to continue organizing your events. Locate your new calendar under either the My Calendars or Other Calendars list in the sidebar. Hover your mouse over the calendar name and click the three-dot menu that appears next to it. From there, choose a color from the color palette to visually represent this label and make it easy to recognize. Next, create or edit an event by clicking on a date or selecting an existing event in your calendar. In the Event Details window, select your newly created calendar label from the Calendar drop-down menu. Save the event, and it will now appear in the color associated with your label. You can repeat this entire process to create multiple labels for different categories of events, helping you stay organized and manage your schedule more effectively across various activities.